Oh man, I thought I had it on. Sorry.
All right.
This is Big Joe Clean Cut. And so this is the Stihl backpack blower. It is the BR 700-100 series. So we're doing a quick video. Sometimes people have problems starting equipment. The first thing you got to do, lesson 101 from Big Joe Clean Cut, is check the gas. They want to start. There's no gas in there. So this is a simple solution. Grab a gas can. Put some gas in it. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, it's an alcoholic. It needed a drink. Now fill that alcoholic up. That's the only legal alcoholic, gas machines. If you're doing any other kind of alcohol beside that, you're sinning. All right, I say preaching for church. But anyway, this is Stihl backpack blower. This is called an on switch. So you want to pop that down. That's off, okay? Pop it out in the middle. I like Stihl. Stihl's a good brand. It's made out of Germany. All right. Then you have what we call a pull cord. Okay, then you have a choke. You want to choke it. Count 3. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. Okay, now you make sure you got a good hand, strong. Grab the cord. Don't bust yourself in the face. Hold on to it. You know, man, smack the mess out of you. Oh my goodness, not my DeWalt. I just broke my DeWalt muffins. Oh my goodness, can you believe that? Just a second. Oh my goodness, this is DeWalt, brand new. I just messed them up. Uh-oh, hope they work. I should have got Milwaukee. Let's see. All right, I think they're okay. All right, let me focus on this. All right, get that ready. You might have to stretch, because if you're an old man, you might pull a muscle. Hold it tight so you don't punch yourself in the face. Count to 3. Let's see if it worked. It did not work. First thing you gotta do, check the gas. Check the gas. Let me see if it works now. 1, 2. All right. Make that sure that's set right. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, it worked! My friend, in this turn off switch, that's how you get gas equipment to start. That doesn't start.